All right, I wanted to do one more example using point slope form. So I'm going to start out with that y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. I still need to find slope first. So I'm going to I'm going to label x1 y1 and x2 y2. I'm going to do y2 minus y1 on top of my fraction, which would be -8 minus 4. It's a negative sign. And on the bottom of my fraction would be x2 minus x1 would be -2 minus 6. So when I do the subtraction, I'm getting -12. Whoa. So I'll get -12 over -8, which first off, those negative over negative is just going to cancel, and I can simplify 12 over 8. If I divide the top and bottom by 4, I should get 3 over 2. So that's my slope that I can plug in right there. The reason I wanted to make this second video because I wanted to show you that even though the equation says x1 and y1, or x1 and y1, I can actually choose to use the x2 and y2 if I want. Really, that x1 and y1 spot is just for me to plug in any point that the line is going to go through. So just for the sake of showing you, I'm going to choose the x2 and the y2 to plug in. So that would be y minus -8 equals m. For m, I'm going to use 3 over 2. And it would be x minus -2. Those minus negatives are going to turn into plus signs. And then that is not slope-intercept form. I still want to get it in slope-intercept form. That's my overall goal. So I would need to get this y by itself. I also need to distribute over here on this side. So that would be y plus 8 on the left, 3 over 2x, and 3 over 2 times 2. 3 over 2 is just 1.5, so that is going to be 3. And then y is still not by itself. I'd have to subtract 8 on both sides. That's going to cancel. Let me scroll here. I should get y equals 3 over 2x minus 5. Now I have an equation in slope-intercept form where I can tell the slope is 3 over 2 and the y-intercept would be -5.